Is my mic connected? Yo, good morning. How's it going? It's actually afternoon. It's about 12 o'clock. My classes for my last semester of college start in 3 days, and I just moved into an apartment a week ago, and it's in complete disarray. So I want to get everything together so I can have a wonderful last semester. Overall, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling very excited. I am ready to get after it and to have a wonderful semester. Let's do this, okay? No more fooling around. Everything is just good. Everything is good. We get to set everything up, get ready, feel good about it. Let's do it together. Let's go. I do have to pick out my outfit for today. Outfit of the day, I'm going for cool girl. Is that what it's giving? Or is it giving those pants are 3 sizes too big and they're basically gonna fall off when I walk? It's about the confidence behind it. This is fine. So on the agenda today, we need to clean up my old apartment, get my Amazon packages, clean my new apartment, and look at my new classes online. That part is scary. I already got a bunch of notifications about like labs being added and lectures being added. New assignment, new assignment. But we're ready. Like I said, we are motivated and ready to do this school thing. Bag change, hi, and the sunglasses. We're doing this one. And we hold it like that. And we walk around like this. And we stop second guessing our choices. Okay, let's go. Bro, I'm so annoyed with this place. I have to go up and down the stairs so much. And I forgot I have like so much stuff to bring back. And I don't know if you can see them, but I have all my plants too. And the plants will die if they're in the car without the car running. So it's just like, what do I do? In what order? Sorry, let me stop complaining, it's fine. Just hot. I should have dressed more athletic, but it is what it is. Guys, what the f is this? What the heck is that? It's like growing in my plant. This is one of my favorite plants. It's like some crazy infectious fungi. And now I'm scared all my plants have it. I've never seen that before. What? Ew. I'm so over it. My plants are falling down left and right. I also am like interested in it. I don't know why I want to investigate and do a little autopsy, but we're not doing that. I need to get out of here. Need to get out of here. This is literally the current state of my pants because every time I freaking walk down, my pants are falling off. Why did I wear these pants? Plants are in the car. AC's on full blast. Here's the last walkthrough of my apartment. I just have to take this and this Cox modem and return it. But I thought I'd just show you my apartment. If you guys watched my videos and you're curious, it's actually huge, but I'm happy to go. There's some things that, oh, hi. There's some things that I don't want to deal with anymore. So I'm happy to leave. But yeah, she's pretty big. Thanks for serving me well. Now I'm leaving. I will be missing this huge closet. But yeah, okay. Turning off all the lights, cranking this up. I am not paying for that. Off. Bye. Let's get the heck out of here. That's all I have to say.
Also, let me just check and make sure we have your forwarding address really quick.
Yeah. Do I have to do anything else? I mean, it's all clean in there.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. That's all we need.
Lovely. Thank you
you.
so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Okay, now I'm gonna return my internet thing. Oh wait, I have to leave my car on because the plants. You give me a checklist, I'm gonna get it done. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Boom, completed. Wait, I don't wanna show you that. Task complete. Next on the to-do list, Amazon packages. I was gonna stop there because I was scared about these plants, but we're just knocking out the whole to-do list. This is the package I needed to pick up. And I needed it so that I could post this exact video.
1.
Yes, I did just set up the camera and then come back in and then come back out. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. Stop chewing on the plants. Please? Please stop. Please stop. I'm sorry. Please get off the counter. I just got a lot of stuff up in here. Sorry, I keep talking like that. Goodness. I just have a lot of stuff up in here that I have to put away. I have to find a spot for all this cleaning stuff. In my head, this is the cleaning supply cabinet, but it's already full. So where do I put the stuff? I am just going to put on a little show and put away these items. I just need to focus on one room at a time right now. Lucky for you, I really enjoy organizing, but it just takes a second to tap into the zone. Let's get to it. Yeah. Okay, let's take a break for a second, because this is the other Amazon package that I grabbed. These things, I'll show you what they're for. These are to protect my couch from my cat. My cat really got a bad habit of scratching my last couch, and this one is so much nicer. I just don't want it to be ruined. He already started doing it, like there's like one string. Love having a cat. I absolutely love having a cat more than anything in the world. But I hate when things get ruined. Makes me very sad. So this is like plastic wrap that should be able to cover it. And hopefully we can train him to not even do it. And then I can take it off eventually. But for now, we're gonna protect the corners. Let's see if we can figure out how this works. Okay, I think I literally just cut it to size and peel it off and stick it on, right? Okay, that does make me like a little sad and annoyed, but it's not the worst thing. It's really not. That's fine. We're kind of losing daylight, but let me show you the progress that we've made. Let me grab this with one hand and not break it or drop it. All that is trash / stain in my car, so ignore that. But I moved some things around in the kitchen because my goal for this place is to basically keep it clutter-free. I have a lot of unique little items, but I think you can't beat just an open countertop. At least that's the vibe for now. Maybe I'll get more maximalistic down the line, but for now, I really like it open. I took my rice cooker away. I found cabinet space for almost everything except for my shopping bags. I don't know where to put these. Maybe I should just have them live in my car. And then as for the cleaning cabinet, it's looking pretty good. I do have to keep my vacuum separated in there, but you know what? That's just how it's gonna be. Again, I just need this to be functional, and then I can go back in for round 2 of perfecting. Once everything has a home, I can go back and like actually organize that and buy specific dividers. But right now it's too overwhelming to do that for every single cabinet in my house. I just need to make it go in there somehow. The bathroom, the bedroom are not looking great. They're looking very cluttered up in here. I did buy these 2 little things. So we're gonna organize with these. But I'm getting kind of tired and hungry, so maybe I don't want to do this right now. I don't know. All these boxes are pretty much loose, like shower stuff and just products, so I need to find storage for all this. But yeah, maybe I'll take a little break, eat some dinner, and then we can come back and tackle the bathroom. Ramen cam. Woo, look at that. So excited. Delish. We're gonna do this together because I'm getting tired. It's 7:30 and I still want to look at my classes online. So the goal here is the same. Clear off surfaces, handle these boxes somehow. And we're gonna just do kind of like a halfway job just so I can have clarity of mind. Doesn't have to be perfect. We can go in again for round 2. Also, let me show you the current state of underneath here. This is honestly like kind of too much for me to handle right now. There's so much stuff and I have the urge to perfectly organize it, but I know that's not in the cards for this moment. We're gonna take stuff from these boxes over here and put them in those bins so I can take these boxes out. Okay, it's fine. Keep it simple. Don't have to categorize everything. Just have to simply transfer. This is showing me I could probably get rid of a lot of stuff because I haven't touched this stuff in like 2 weeks and I haven't missed it. So bathroom, closet clean out coming soon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Babe, are you okay? That was so hard. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I did not know that was your tail. Turn the video off. This is a serious moment. He's fine. He's fine. That sound was just so sad. Okay, so now I know you're gonna be there. I'm sorry. Sorry, dude. That was so rude of me. Did not even see you. Now we can get rid of this and make it look a lot better. And then we can stack these. Boom and boom. That looks a lot better than those cardboard boxes at least. Okay, I'm low-key satisfied with this. I'm gonna hit it with the vacuum and call it a day. So this is the last area that needs major help. I don't know what the heck to do with my whiteboard. It's really killing the vibe of the cool living room. But this is gonna be like a craft section. Ideally, it's gonna be aesthetic, but right now it's definitely chaotic mess. Before I end the video, I wanna show you a quick little haul of the school supplies I've gotten so far. I'm taking 6 classes, so I'm definitely gonna need more than this. I love these decomposition notebooks whenever they come out with new ones every year. I'm very excited to see them. Scorpion, very fitting. I'm a Scorpio. I have a scorpion tattoo as well. Love it. And then the Beatles, I just think this was cool. And they kind of go together. And then I went to an art supply store and the only thing I got was this fancy little pencil. Look how cute. And then I just got these 2 brush pens. If you know these pens are amazing. Like this looks like my eyeliner. She is sharp. So yeah, I got orange and gray. I don't know why. And then lastly, all-time favorite pen. Boyfriend stole one of them, Pilot G2. Typically I go for a 0.5, but I loved this white. I've never seen the Pilot G2 in a white. But yeah, I am the type to take physical notes. I am not an iPad note girly. Sorry that the news is out. And then here's my trusty backpack. Had this since like 7th grade, but I haven't actually used it for school in a while. And yeah, that's my little back to school haul. Okay guys, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna sit at my little desk and look at my new classes, maybe move to the couch low-key, because I kind of feel crammed in a corner back here. We're gonna definitely have to fix this situation in another video. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Apparently women are less likely to subscribe to things they like. I saw that somewhere, I don't know, but let's change that. But I get it, it takes a lot for me to subscribe to. Like I need consistency. But I will be here for you guys with new videos, at least weekly, but more than that. Thanks for joining me. I will catch you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. Okay, bye. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, me waving.